Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus 12. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, just click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!